Hi there, and welcome back. We are doing Elegoo lesson number 31. This is use of our... If you see the little pink square moving on its own, that's the stepper motor doing the forward, backward, and then reversing on itself. The pink piece of styrofoam was actually from another circuit from a previous kit, so that it'd be easier to illustrate as it was going back and forth on its own. So you have the dedicated circuit right here. You have your stepper motor here. This wires back to the Elegoo. So as you watch the LEDs on this setup here, it's actually telling the motor to do a function forward or backward. And this controls it through the SketchUp that we did. So yeah. One of the things that helped me get this lesson done, since the current instructions on this were missing a critical step on how to power this part, I actually had to go to a different content creator that's done this before, so I will include his thing in the links below, because I found that was able to help me get this lesson done. Because beforehand I couldn't figure out what was going on, because I could see in the serial monitor that it was showing me that it was going forward, backward, forward, so the code was working, but the motor wasn't doing anything, and this part wasn't lighting up. And it turns out, for some reason, it wasn't showing ground going to that or power going to it, so it wasn't getting any power.